So I'm just going in with my Kiss tweezers, and I'm also going in with my Kiss Mascara Bond and Seal. I have Amazon lashes, but I didn't like the bond or seal that came with it, so I just trashed it. I just use my regular glue. So I'm first putting the glue on my lashes, and then I go in on the lash line, and that's basically like what I do to apply it. But this is what's tea, okay? These are a couple steps that's going to help you with your lashes. You want to make sure you're not putting them on top of each other, and you don't want them necessarily connecting. You want just a little space in between, so that definitely helps. And if you see, I'm doing 2 14s at the end, and I'm going to go in with a 12, a 10, another 12, and then you will see at the end I'm going to go back in with another 14, but I'll show you guys that, of course, when I get there. So, like I'm saying, these are just a couple tips, because putting them on are very self-explanatory, but keeping them on, that's the hard part. So, like I said, you don't want them on top of each other and looking crazy. Just a little space in between each other, and making sure that you put enough seal and bond. Well, bond first, because that's the first step, and then going in heavily with the seal. That's how you get that longevity. So this is the part I was talking about here, where I just put a little bit. Like, I'm done with a full row, but I double up in the middle with a 14. Just 1 14. I just feel like it gives it that hybrid, spiky, doll face look, and that's kind of what I'm going for. Not too much of a cat eye. Next time I'll definitely do a cat eye for y'all, but this is more of like what fits my face. So this is what I do for my face. So now I go in with the bond, and this is another tip. Take a flathead tweezer and like squish that bond and get all up in that lash line, girl. Like, get there, okay? Because that's how the lashes are going to stay on, whether you're in the shower or sleep. So just keep adding the seal, not too much, not to make it white. So this is how they end up coming out. Love y'all, peace, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Mwah.